the representatives here, student Ayush and Sultana, to give it to Mr. Akash, but let us hand it over to Principal Sir and Mr. Robin, the accountant, and they will hand it over to Mr. Akash. Please give a big hand of applause. Class 11 worked really hard for this, but we could call only 2 of them. Okay, later on you can come on the stage. But for now, we have class 7. I just came to know that class 7, all of them cannot come on the stage. So few of you, can you please come on the stage? And I heard that you have a gift to give to Mr. Akash. So can you come quickly? Hand over, please give a hand of applause. Okay, now I would give few moments to Mr. Akash.
Okay, thank you so much, Principal Sir, Robin Sir, Ishan Sir, and all my colleagues, ma'am, right? Okay, and thank you to all my students for whatever you have done it, right, for me. I was not expecting this much, but it's a lot for me. Right, and obviously I'm not going to, what do you say, I'm not going to miss you, but I'm going to remember you here, right? The person who is here, that person you never miss, right? So obviously I am here for around 4 years, and I know you personally. Some of you, I know you very personally, very close, right? And some of maybe in a class. Right. So whatever we had, memory, those 4 years back, right? It will paste it in my mind, and those things it is not going to erase very soon, right? The moment when I die, at that time only it is going to erase, right? So obviously I am leaving this school, but I am not leaving you all. Right? Whenever I see you, obviously I will go and I will talk with you. But yes, this is not the end, right? Maybe I am going from here, another teacher will come. So whatever the love you are giving me, the same love and the respect you have to give it to those teachers, right? It doesn't mean that someone is coming and you are not giving a love and respect. Try to give it, right? The way you give, the way you get it back. So if you are giving a love and respect, definitely you will get love and respect from those teachers, whoever they are coming. Right? And again, wish you all the best for your future. Right? Again, as I keep on telling you, focus on your study. If not study, then obviously whatever you have the potential, right? Keep improving that thing. Obviously, God has gifted you at least one talent. We all are different. Right? And the God has given a different talent to everyone. No one can say that you don't have a talent. Obviously, God has given you a unique talent. The thing which is that you need to know. You have to introspect yourself. Then only you will get to know what is there inside. Again, we have a very, I think so, we have a shortage of time. So with this beautiful thought, I would like to say that keep on, what? Moving. Keep on studying. Don't look back. Whatever past is past, right? Live on the present and prepare for the future. Don't look at back. Back is just a memory, right? Sometimes you can go back and you just refresh your mind, but don't stay on those past things, right? You have to move on. Okay, with this thought, I would like to thank you so much all, everyone. May God bless you all.
And on behalf of all the teachers also, we would like to thank you for being our colleague. Okay, and we wish you all the blessings. We wish you all the good hope when you start your work in a new place. May God bless you and your family also, and your work. Thank you very much, sir, for those words. And we will close now. And for the closing, I would request the principal, sir, to please offer the prayer.